LearningCandies. Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. This is an ellipse. It looks like a stretched circle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. This is a heart. This is a circle. It is round and goes round and round. This is a rhombus. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides. This is a star. This is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Great job! Today, we learned about circle, triangle, ellipse, heart, star, rhombus, square, pentagon, and rectangle. See you next time. Bye-bye.